I run a home business. Do I need business insurance? Home businesses, now more than ever, are becoming common for startups and freelancers. But without the proper insurance coverage, these businesses could be at risk, jeopardizing your hard-earned success. Your regular homeowner's policy doesn't necessarily provide you with coverage for your home business. That's where various types of in-home business policies come in. Though your exact coverage will depend on what type of home business you operate, the following are important for you to consider. Business property. Your business equipment is subject to damages, loss, or theft, and needs independent coverage to keep your business protected. General liability. If a client, visitor, or employee falls and gets hurt, your business will be at risk without a proper policy. Business vehicle. Just because it's a home business doesn't mean you won't use your personal vehicle. If you get in an accident while using your car for business, it's important to be sure you're covered with a business auto policy. The first thing your neighborhood trusted choice independent insurance agent will do is listen. They can recommend coverages and match you with the right policy to protect your business's success. Be independent. Go independent.